Hello, welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen, where we put some of those online cooking videos to the test. My name is Melissa, and today we have a really fun video for you. We are making spaghetti sushi. So when I first heard of spaghetti sushi, I was a little bit confused. I was like, is it spaghetti or is it sushi? Well, it's spaghetti, and we're going to roll it up like sushi. We're going to put some little meatballs in it and a beautiful ricotta tomato sauce, and we are going to line up the spaghetti, and then we are going to roll it up and cut it just like it was sushi. It's a nice, different way to present spaghetti and meatballs. To make our fun little spaghetti sushi, we are going to need 1 box of spaghetti that's been already boiled, some ricotta cheese, Parmesan cheese, your favorite tomato sauce, and about 12 mini meatballs. We are going to start by lining up each individual piece of boiled spaghetti. This can take a while. You can use sushi rolling mats, but we're just using parchment paper. Using parchment paper will make it a lot easier to roll in the end. So this particular part of the process does take a while, and you want to try to use the longer pieces of the spaghetti. The spaghetti will break a little bit, but we want it to be nice and even in the end. Once we have lined up enough pieces of spaghetti so that the sheet is about the size that we want it, we are then going to take the knife and we are going to cut it to even up the ends. To make the filling for our spaghetti sushi, we are going to combine the ricotta cheese, tomato sauce, and Parmesan cheese. We're then going to take a few spoonfuls of our sauce and spread it very carefully over about a quarter of the spaghetti. We are then going to take our mini meatballs and line them up along the edge of the spaghetti. And we're just using homemade turkey meatballs. You could use, of course, store-bought meatballs, or you could use meatballs made out of beef or pork or any combination. Then we're going to very carefully, using our parchment paper to guide the pasta, we're going to roll this into a roll, very much like if we were making sushi. And slow and steady is the key here in rolling this. The pasta will have a tendency to fall apart, but we're just going to go really slow and be very gentle as we roll. We're then going to cut our roll into about 5 slices. We're going to cut between the pieces of pasta. And while the spaghetti sushi was fairly easy for the adults to roll, because this is Simple or Not Kitchen, we wanted to see how easy it would be for a child to do. So this is Kenny, he's my neighbor, he stopped by, and we're going to have him try rolling it to see if it's easy enough for a child. And he did have a little bit of trouble rolling the sushi. The adults had to step in and roll it for him. But this is a fun little project for kids. I don't know that I would definitely call it simple, but it is a lot of fun, and it does give a different presentation for spaghetti and meatballs, and hey, what a fun way to play with your food. Just so you know, when we first made these, they came out really messy, especially when we tried to plate them up. We really had to work at making them look good. Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For the recipe, article, and more video, go to PenelCentral.com.